a question before me say what I say. Why we have to wait until we icons them dead before we pay a tribute to them? Why we wait until we icons them pass off before we sing to them, before we pay a tribute to them, before we venerate them, before we show them say we love them, before all of them things there? Why we have to wait until them dead? That me want to ask. No. See? From there that day I watch it and I say, you know, say me nah say nothing and the spirit I say something, man. And I say, me nah say nothing and the spirit I say something, man. See? I just talk to a brother a little while and the brother have the same sentiments pan with me. I say, whoa, why not me alone I think so? Damn. So I go say it. You see, if me get to Freddie them age and get sick, and my pitney them ever have me on stage and sing to the point where me can't hold me notes them, and my voice so weak, me just want enough strength to take them off of my will and donate everything to one cat. I want homeless dog, I want road dog. If my pitney them. If me ever get sick and my pitney them have me on stage and sing, where it's obvious say me sick and me can't hold no note and me can't talk properly and me can't have the strength where the world know me for and the vocals where the world know me for. Me just want have enough strength for just call me lawyer and make them come check me, and me just want to be that last thing when me do before me dead. Write them off of my will and donate everything to a rat in the subway in New York. Yeah. That me want. You know why? Because my pitney them supposed to know. So when it comes on to perfection, when it comes on to singing pan key, me take pride in them thing there. It's a reason why basketball player and football player retire, you know. Because of them legacy. Yes, when we know a person to be so great, a man with a perfect pitch, a man when him sing you feel it near two of them, me feel hurt. Me feel hurt for hear me icon. I try hold the key them. And somebody go say, but what if him want to sing? No, daddy. No, daddy. Here we go on, daddy. Me know you love sing. And me know you want to sing. But you know what I want, daddy? I want to reach out to all of the artists them. And I want them pay a tribute to you. For you see them a sing to you. And see them a sing a song on them big platform. You see all some fest? And we as artists out there sing Freddie tune them. And I pay a tribute to Freddie Mcgregor when him alive, not when the man pass off or when we pass off and gone. People come and sing song. Let's pay tribute to this. Let's pay tribute to that. No, me want when the daddy sit down there so. Sit down there so, daddy. And me want you have enough voice and strength. Me just want you to say thank you and all them something there. Yeah, daddy. Just sit down there and relax, daddy. Me know you love sing. But daddy, me no want you work. Daddy, me no want you over Mighty Crown them something while they are sing. And me obviously hear say you know strength in your voice. And then me see you over something. No, daddy. Daddy, me know you love sing, daddy. But daddy, remember say you teach with perfection, you know. Daddy, remember say you say key, you know. Daddy, remember say you come sing, boy, you no drop no note, you know, daddy. Daddy, no. Me want pay a tribute to you, daddy. Me want hear Romy and Virgo sing when you sang them. Me want hear Christopher Martin sing when you sang them, daddy. More you all head rap, the man they sing when you sang them, daddy. The great singers, them, all bury someone was still, you know, you can't say Berry still healthy. Me don't love you all. You can't imagine if Daddy Freddie sit down there and Berry pay a tribute to him. And if Daddy Berry get sick and so forth, so on, brethren. Me say, listen, me no man, not gonna hate me people. But I win on my heart, people. I win on my heart, people. Because what? Me know say Freddie. When the man they sing, the man they voice sit down pan the key and sit down pan the rhythm like a lizard pan a limb. And when the man they go for the voice down na them belly and come out with big ship sailing on the ocean, you feel everything. Me no want. I have to go back in a history. When all is said and done, I listen back to some performance and I say, yo, I'm Freddie that I sing. Right now, we keep all one big dirty stage show. And we just go sing. And every dollar go to Freddie. Every dollar. Matt, yo, listen me no man. Chino and Steven if you just put on a stage show from Daddy Freddie, the man still there. And the man and everything the man fight through. I end up with obviously a strokes, virgin. When the man and yes, he said the man and the man foot now move. Based on when me I see virgin. I mean, no want nobody, yo, me I sing this out, me I say this out, I love. Because if I never run a Freddie, me no know if me that day so. I talk to the virgin. We put on all one big dirty stage show, Ramadan Sumfest. You think so Joe Bagnanovich for pay Freddie money for go sing? We put on one big dirty stage show. And Jamaican people are all who are going to burn me out and not really love Freddie Mcgregor. The 1,500 US on I go pay for see Chris Brown. One just come see man and pay a tribute to Freddie Mcgregor and we play him song them. When him alive, when him can feel that love there. When him know say daddy, me not even want you have to worry say you have to go sing on a stage, you know. Me don't even want you have to worry say you have to go sing on a stage, daddy. Because we are going to make certain say we have the funds, we are give the resources to know say you can live good and rest yourself. We don't want you out there stress yourself. We don't want you out there worry say you have to go up on the plane and you know, daddy, we just want you just enjoy the rest of your days then, brother. Me say, you not going to like me, virgin, but me say, I saw me feel. Why we have to wait until we icons them, we elders them drop out before we come about, yo, R.I.P. and a post up song and a, tonight we're gonna pay tribute to, let's give a moment of silence for daddy, for Freddie Mcgregor. Let's have a moment of silence for this. Let's have a moment of silence for that. We pay a tribute to Freddie when the man can't hear we, when the man can't see we, when the man can show say, yo, him appreciate that love the way we show him as Jamaican people, as people who grew up on the music, as people from, listen me, if you put tribute, if you pay a tribute to Freddie Mcgregor in the National Stadium, where Burna Boy come draw how much thousands of people out of them house, I wanna pay how much money for going at the box. I wanna pay how much money for going at the stadium. Buju Banton come from prison at the stadium, ram, and I forward him forward. Or if we still have Freddie among us, when we see say Freddie Mcgregor got through something, when could I lose him life, and we hear how Freddie Mcgregor voice weak when he must sing, oh no kill me if you don't know why I hear the truth, Bridget. I know how Freddie that. We know say him love sing, everybody love music. If you allow if we sing, all when we are going to a grave we are sing. But at some point you have to say, daddy, sit down, man. Sit down, daddy. Everything is going to be alright, daddy. We are going to take care of you, daddy. We are take care of you, daddy. You know much people bust from around a Freddie studio. Mavado them bust from around a Freddie studio. One of the biggest dancehall artists bust from around a Freddie studio. We fi put on one of the show them in New York and one of the show them in Miami and one of the show them in England. And so we fi treat we icons them, we pave the way for we and even give we opportunities. Listen me now, man. You think so now come to me say, John, me hear my struggle for sing, me feel like me want to cry. What glad cry I go do? What not about no one? Oh, me want to cry when me hear him try hold the note them. Yo, me feel emotional with daddy for you. Me know I try sing. No, we can't, we not have to make Daddy Freddie out there try sing. Daddy Freddie is a man who take pride in him work. Daddy Freddie is a man who make sure say him no left Dalton go nowhere. Because the man want to make sure say him band have a band leader. Dalton, if the man is singing a studio and tour Dalton there. Dalton there everywhere. For the man to make sure say him get listen me now, man. Listen me now, people, man. When a man go through some farmer, whatever a man go through bridging, at some point when a man get to a certain age, you have to basically like how when we are picking mommy tell us just sit down and easy. Just sit down and make me provide food now. We have to go back now when we see the elders them get to that baby stage the back again now. We say, no daddy, make we deal with this daddy. And we have the strength now. And we have the power now. And we have the voice now. Make we sing daddy. And make people come listen and people come watch and people come see you. Me no want to wait until Daddy Freddie left ya if him left ya before me and all we can say, oh we are going to look pan him grave, oh we are going to look pan that they want the grave, oh we are going to look pan Dennis Brown grave, oh we are going to look pan Gregory Isaac grave, oh why we can't show love to the icons them when them alive? You know what trigger that moment I want to see right now? Me I listen to the man on stage, you know. Me I listen to Daddy Freddie on stage, you know what the man say? The man say him sick. The man say him sick, you know. And Joe Bagnanovich come link him and ask him if he want to do the show. And him say, him will try. Listen me people. The amount of money where Joe them and scatter them supposedly have. If you go see Freddie Mcgregor sick, you're supposed to not pop out the money and just say, Daddy Freddie, hold this. And if you enter your feel better, just come check. Even if just hold the money, I want tuna people, man. I want tuna, man. I want tuna, man. Me say if me ever get to that stage and my picnic them put me on a stage, me just want enough strength. Me just want enough strength to take them off of the wheel. Me just want enough strength to buy 1 dozen Viagra pill. Yeah. So me can find out some woman and just say, yo, listen me, I last like this, you know. And the last like this. Every woman come get 100,000 US dollar. What you have 100,000 US me I give it. Be 100,000 US. Yeah, man. Nurse, 100,000 US. Yeah, man. Yeah. Any girl get it up, 100,000 US. Every money done. Every money done. Yeah, man. Every asset me have, me donate it to a rat in the subway. Me say, find me a rat. Find me a rat. Out of here. When I come to him, suppose that him want to do it. Suppose that him, no, him not supposed to want to do it. Daddy Freddie not supposed to want to do it. Daddy Freddie already done it. I'm a legacy that. Go back go watch Freddie McGregor, Alton Ellis and Dennis Brown them in concert. I want to know what me I talk about. The level of perfectionist. Freddie already do it. Freddie not supposed to, let him want to sing. If you allow we all when we are 90 and no voice, no there and no teeth, no there we still want to go on stage go sing. But we have to say to the elders them say, sit down and rest now, man. You did it. You have nothing else to prove. You did it. Me don't go want you come out there come wave. All me want you do Daddy Freddie, just come out there come wave to the people them. And say, thank you no for coming out. Love you here. Thank you no for coming out. if it so happens that Daddy Freddie recover now and Daddy Freddie get back in full strength and get back in full voice, then we can say we were a part of making the time. Taking the time out and putting resources together for Daddy Freddie come back to good health. Come back to strength. So when he go back out, they go belly out now, we say, yeah man, a Daddy Freddie that. That me a deal with. Oh, yeah, me feel me, yeah, me cry star when me hear Daddy Freddie I try hold the note them star. Me cry when me hear the voice of God. Where you cry for? Where you cry for and you can do something about it? Caan Mcgregor and Stephen Mcgregor, we don't need to put a Daddy Freddie tribute together and make people go sing for Daddy Freddie. And make him know say we grew up on them song yeah. When you hear Vegas sing one, when you hear Romian sing one, when you hear Mavado sing one, when you hear Berry sing one, just invite a bag away. Alton Ellis walk off a stage, dead a few days after. Gregory Isaac, me and him do a show down at Trinidad. No, me and him there at Trinidad same time. Me see him on the plane, me and him sit down side and side, dead the next week. Culture performing in Europe, come home and must whatever, dead few days after. Frankie Paul, come up, dead few days after. You know must stress it put on your body, especially when you're sick. If you fly up and down in a plane. When I go and like say, when I go and, oh, I just sing a man love sing, like, you know much toll it take on your feet travel up and down? And you're sick? How much have we icons them? Go look on Cocotti interview if you don't want burn me. Burn me after you go watch Cocotti interview and when him say about Dennis Brown. Him say him cry. When him have to wall up Dennis Brown backstage. You think say Dennis never want to go sing? Dennis wanted to go and sing. And Dennis Brown dead young boy. Young. And nobody never see Dennis Brown sick. If you say Dennis Brown, sit down and get better man. No worry about money, brother. No worry about nothing. Dennis, yeah, Dennis, you name Dennis Emmanuel Brown. We are going to take care of your daddy. Dennis Brown gets sick. Dead. And now when him dead, people are come. Let's have a Dennis Brown day. Let's sing some songs for Dennis Brown. He's going to dance selector. You hear them now? Yo, all who do say yo. Dennis Brown, love and respect Dennis Brown. Give me some lighter for Dennis Brown. Just imagine. Because remember saying to people, good vibration heal you too, you know. Stress make you get more sick. Good vibration